Right, so in here what we have is the action button settings. Now this could be ranked as one of your most important buttons because we need to use this to get everything firing, right? So this is our very first message, which then leads on to our flow. Now we can build a complete flow just using this if we wanted to. However, it does make it a lot more difficult. So you have your get started template. So if you click on here, as you can see, what I've done from the get started template is I've put a text with buttons. So when they click the button, it's going to lead them straight to the floor. So once this loads up, it's actually the street food one. My computer's going really slow at the moment. Which stranger we ordered from the street food place last night. It was lovely. Right, so we have the call us. So straight away they can press the button and they're going to get in touch with us. And if you press more, they're going to be brought onto my street food floor, which that's why I always label my floors as the complete name of the floor. Now I can also add more replies in here and then add it later on if I wanted to. That's completely up to yourself. There's different ways of thinking about it, but it depends which way you want to do it. Right, so that's that done. So I'm just going to update that just in case. All right, so little success thing there. Now next one down, we have no match template. So if they type in something that there is no match to, so sorry, we couldn't find any content to show, one of our team members will reply to you shortly. So it's just a standard, obvious message that you can put in there. So you can change that to anything you want. You can add more replies, you can do anything you like inside of there. Now next we have the unsubscribe template. Right, again, it's just a simple message. And it's when they press something like stop. Now, I would say in most of your flows, if you actually tell people how to unsubscribe, it makes life a whole lot easier for yourself because then they don't report you at all to Facebook. And even if they did, Facebook will be quite happy because you have instructions on how they can stop all replies. So that'll pop up eventually. The speed what this is going mind is terrible. This is purely down to my bad internet connection and not to do with me bot, which is embarrassing how bad my office internet really is getting. Let's see if we can pull up another one, but can't yet because it's still doing that. Right, so you've got resubscribe template, which is all cool. Email quick reply template. So this is when they give your email, when they give their email address over. Then what we've got is we've got a reply template, which will say, thank you very much for giving your details. Right. And then you put up a follow one. Right. Now, this is the important part. So thanks, we've received your email. We'll keep you updated. Thank you for being with us. Now, you could use that as text with buttons. And so we could have that same message again. And then we'll press continue, which would then take you to the next step. But you must put in some kind of thing in there, some reply for you to be able to continue your flow. Now, the reason why we do this is so that we can actually have all email addresses captured and captured properly. We did have it as part of the flow before, and every now and again what was happening was the email addresses were getting all confused and it just turned to a bit of a nightmare. I don't quite know what's going on with my internet here today. Now then, you have exactly the same settings as that for telephone numbers, for birthdays, for user locations, because we can locate where the users are, and for a number of other things that's down there. And that's pretty much everything in here. So chat with human is just basically going to be our email address. Location, this is where we find out where they're at. Chat with robot template, so we actually can put a template up there as well if we want to. Can't really see the point in it, to be perfectly honest with you, but it's there just in case. And that's pretty much this action button. So this has got all of these different things in here, which are all actions for them to take and which is going to help us to build our list faster. Okay, so thanks very much. And we'll come back and do the sequencing. Right, thanks.